Hello, this is my dog barking in the background while I'm trying to give my presentation on my Microbit project. I programmed it in Microsoft Make. Hello, this is my Microbit project. I programmed it in Microsoft MakeCode to create a scrolling badge that says Mrs. Benton's mood. I also added button inputs so the Microbit can show whether that mood is happy or sad. In this reflection, I'll demonstrate my inputs and outputs, share a challenge I had, and explain how I could use this in my classroom. In the forever block, the program shows a heart, scrolls the word Mrs. Benton, and then shows another heart. This repeats continuously. That gives me two outputs, the scrolling text and the icons on the LED grid. I added two button inputs using the buttons. Button A shows a happy face and button B shows a sad face. These button presses are my two inputs, and the faces they display are my outputs. However, they do not display until after it gets done scrolling Mrs. Benton's mood. So the students will see Mrs. Benton's mood and then whether that is a happy face or a sad face. One challenge was that the show string block doesn't let presses interrupt the scrolling right away. Instead, the text always finishes scrolling first. I turned that into part of the design so the badge announces Mrs. Benton's mood and then the happy or sad face shows afterwards. I could use this idea in my ELA classroom by having students make badges that scroll their names, favorite book titles, or short quotes. Then they could use button presses to display an icon that shows how they feel about the quote or how confident they are in their understanding of the text. It could also be used as a quick class check-in. For example, scrolling, how are you feeling? And then let students use button A for smiley or button B for frowny face. It's a fun way to combine coding with literacy and also build classroom community. That is my Microbit project, a scrolling badge that says Mrs. Benton's moon with button inputs that display a happy or sad face. Thank you for watching.